Right, everyone, you get stuck on the road, you're not sure where to go, and on top of that, you're worried like, well, how am I going to get my tires inflated? I don't have anything and I don't know what to do. I don't have AAA maybe. Today we're going to be looking at a portable, accessible, and easy to use tire inflator right here. I'm really excited for this. This is AP18, the portable tire inflator. Make sure that you're safe when you're out so you don't get stuck on the road. Even if you Ooh, and it has a very nice carrying case. Look at how beautiful that looks. It looks awesome. All right, and the big moment. Well, we got some spare parts. USB-C cable. We have the inflator itself to hook on to the tire, and nice beefy instruction manual. And a quick start guide. And then we have the inflator itself. So we can see how this looks. It actually has instructions on here: long press, how to raise the pressure, how to lower it, light button for pressure, and we have the tips as well. So what I'm going to do is just remove the plastic as such. So this looks pretty nice. Can hit the power button, turn it on. So it has a flashlight. You can have a strobe light party. Although we're not going to go that crazy here. We can see the PSI. Now you can see the little icons here. We'll bring that. You can see the little icons here for car, bike. I can even do a basketball if I want. So I can go ahead and inflate that. And then I can raise the PSI with plus and minus. And that's really all there is to it. It's not super complicated. And then I can just adjust this right here. And then I can charge it via USB-C. Now, I also have the app right here. You can get started. The AVAPOW, they have their service number and all their information there, so you can get a hold of them if there's any issues. And I appreciate they gave me a nice, chunky, really good instruction manual. So this is going to be good at inflating anything. Now, I'm going to go ahead and install this and do a demo on my car, my Suzuki Mechanic. So, you got this here. And then, I'll just unzip this part. He's a friendly snake. He doesn't bite. Make sure that's nice and tight. Don't have a strobe light part now out in the sun. So what I'm going to do, go ahead, turn it on. It's on. Now, I'm going to make sure I have it switched to car. And car is going to be the first option. So just again, car. Then I'll come to my tire. Then I'm going to get the right thing to hook onto the tire. So let's go ahead, hook this up. Okay, now all we got to do is let it rip. And just hit the power button to stop it. Let's screw that on. And that's how simple this is.
I like this. It's portable. It's easy to use. I was literally able to figure it out in a matter of minutes. And it has other attachments as well, so you can use those if you so choose. And that's why I think this is going to be really, really nice for your car, your bike, your basketball, your motorcycle, whatever it is you're using.